How to make a delicious banana cake. If I can make it, you can too. Sprinkle some sugar. Slice and add 2 bananas into the non-stick pan. Add 1 egg in a bowl and a touch of pink salt. Add 10 grams of baking powder. Add about 80 grams of sugar and mix. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. One glass of milk. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a teaspoon of white vinegar. Add 150 grams of all-purpose plain flour. Gradually add and mix until the consistency becomes smooth and runny. Pour on the pan gently, covering all areas. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes on the lowest gas heat so it can cook nice and slow. Give a quick check all around and make sure the top is soft. And now you're ready to prepare. Nicely baked, decorate to your desire. Sprinkle icing sugar and chocolate flakes. Enjoy.